Ever wondered how to attach files or pictures in Hotmail the right way? Whether it's an important document for work or a batch of family photos you want to share, knowing how to attach files properly can save you time and frustration. In this quick and complete 2025 guide, I'll walk you through every step so you can do it confidently in just a minute. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the Outlook login page. If you're an old Hotmail user, don't worry. Hotmail is now part of Microsoft Outlook, so it's the same account, just with a new interface. Click Sign In, then enter your email and password. If you're on a personal device, you can choose the option to stay signed in for faster access next time. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage. This is where you can view your emails and manage your inbox. To start attaching a file, click New Mail at the top left corner. This opens a blank email where you can enter your recipient's address, add a subject, and type your message. Now for the main part, attaching your files or pictures, look for the paperclip icon labeled Attach or Attach Files. Click it and you'll be given two options. You can upload files directly from your computer or choose from OneDrive if your files are stored in Microsoft's cloud. Select the file or photo you want to send and you'll see it begin uploading right into your email draft. Once attached, you'll see the file name or the thumbnail appear below the subject line. If you accidentally added the wrong file, just click the small X beside it to remove it. Before sending, quickly review your attachments to make sure everything's correct. When you're ready, click Send, and that's it. Your email along with your files or pictures is now on its way. So next time you need to send important documents, photos, or even a presentation, you'll know exactly how to attach them in Hotmail using Outlook. It's simple, fast, and once you've done it once, you'll never forget it. Thanks for watching. And now you're fully equipped to send emails like a pro.